For this next example we're going to look at, you need to understand what a checking account is. So at your bank, typically someone will have a savings account and a checking account. Now your savings account, you can earn some interest on it. So you're going to make some money, not very much. It's going to be an extremely small amount. But in your savings account, you can make some money off of that. Your checking account, you're not making money off of this. This is basically where you're going to pull money to pay your bills, or maybe you're going to pay for a service. For example, right now I'm having someone build a deck for me, so I could pay them using a check. Now, there are two different things that pull from a checking account. Your debit card pulls directly from your checking account, and also if you write a check, when that check is cashed, then that cash is taken from your checking account. So let's say that you're at the store or at the gas station and you swipe your debit card and you put in your PIN, then the money that you're spending comes directly out of your checking account. If you write someone a check and hand it to them and then they take it to their bank and they, what we would call, cash it or turn it in, then that money is being pulled from your checking account. So let's go ahead and look at the example problem. Integer task card number 3. Richard is $15 overdrawn on his checking account. So when you're overdrawn, what this means is that you pulled out more money than you had. So if he's $15 overdrawn, he spent $15 more than he had. So technically he's borrowing $15 from his bank. All right, so that's the first sentence. He writes a check for $7. Okay, so he's spending more money. He's writing someone a check, he's giving them the check, and when that person goes to the bank and cashes his check, then another $7 will be pulled out from his account. So there's my number sentence. What is the balance in his checking account now? Oh no, it's not going to be good. So what I'm going to do for my work is I'm going to record this sentence, and then I'm going to change this subtraction problem to an addition problem. So subtracting 7 is the same as adding a -7. So -15 plus a -7 is what this subtraction problem is as an addition problem. Now what we're going to do, now that it's an addition problem, if the signs are the same, we add. So these are both negative numbers, so we add this together. So 15 plus 7, you could just do this in your head, or if you need to, you can line it up like this and add 5 and 7 to get 12, carry the 1, 1 and 1 makes 2. So that's $22. And -15 plus a -7, well, that's really -$22. So Richard is now in the hole $22. So Richard's bank account balance will read -$22. And when you're negative like that, when you overdraw your account and then you overdraw it again, he'll probably get an additional fee for overdrawing it the first time and then also for overdrawing it again a second time. Usually they charge you a fee every time you're borrowing money from them and you overdraw your account. And when I say them, I mean the bank.